So who was Siddharth Shukla? Siddharth Shukla started his career as a model, then made his debut with the television shows. There was one Babul Ka Angan, he became a household name with Balika Vadhu. But what really prompted him to the star status in the television industry was the reality show Bigg Boss. Here's more on the journey of television actor and model and host Siddharth Shukla.
And the winner is Siddharth Shukla.
40-year-old Siddharth Shukla, winner of popular reality show Bigg Boss, is no more. It was the Salman Khan anchored reality TV show that made Siddharth a big name. His fights, his outbursts, his raw attitude.
अभी चुप करके बैठा था ना अभी क्या हो गया अभी आग लगी है अब मेरे को ही पकड़ेगा तू
भोग जितना भोगना ये बात का और जितना मुद्दा बनाना मुद्दा बना
मच्छर है तू मच्छर
मसलना
निकल
नहीं ना इसको सवाल है पागलों की
His chemistry with Shahnaz Gill.
भी 1 महीना रह गया और ज्यादा करना है इतना प्यार करके बाहर जाके तुझे मेरी इतनी गंदी आदत पड़े फिर कहने का मतलब अब गेम में आ रही हूँ
अबे यार ये
तू बोल हाँ
Had the Indian TV audience asking for more. Siddharth Shukla began his career in showbiz as a model and made his acting debut with a lead role in television show Babul Ka Angan Chutena.
अभी लगा था ना मुझे
He later appeared on shows such as Jaane Pehchane Se, Ye Ajnabi and Love You Zindagi. But he became a household name with Balika Vadhu. Tragically, his co-star from the same show, Pratyusha Banerjee, had died by suicide in 2016. His big Bollywood launch was with Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan starrer Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania.
I'm just kidding. मैं तुम्हें डिनर पे ले जाना चाहता हूँ. Just the two of us. एक हफ्ते में हमारी शादी है और हम एक दूसरे को ठीक से जानते भी नहीं. So I wanted to spend some time with you. ऐसे भी घर पे इतने सारे लोग हैं हम खुलकर बात भी नहीं कर सकते
The Karan Johar film was a hit, but Siddharth's film success was limited, prompting him to shift to reality television shows.
Ignore them. काव्या यहाँ देखो They're drunk. खत्म करते हैं and then we'll go.
From dance shows to stunt-based action TV, it was this that made Siddharth Shukla a household name and a social media sensation. Bureau Report, India Today.
While the medical team are trying their best to ascertain what exactly led to the death of Siddharth Shukla, what we know for sure and for now is that it happened due to a heart attack. And that has put the focus back on the pressure of fame and the real meaning of fitness. Now remember, Siddharth Shukla's social media profiles were full of visuals, videos that showed off his workout, his exercise regimen. His colleagues and co-stars have consistently described the late actor as a gymnasium enthusiast. Even Rahul Mahajan, who has been part of the reality show Bigg Boss, had said that Siddharth Shukla was a bodybuilding icon. He was very careful of his diet and was regular with his workout regimen. So, of course, many are asking that if he appeared that fit, was only 40 years, what caused a possible heart attack? Could it be the sort of pressure around in the industry or something else? Listen in now to some reactions that have come in from the Indian film industry among people who knew the actor closely and were aware of the actor's fitness regime and of their mental health status. So remember, there have been different reactions that have come in, and of course, what we know, and of course what many are asking as well, that someone who appeared to be physically fit and then led to a heart attack. Of course, we are not medical experts here, but that's a very valid question that many have been asking since morning. What are people from within the industry have mentioned about it? Take a look.
आजकल जो ड्रग्स का या वेट लूज कर सिक्स पैक करना ओवरनाइट स्टेरॉइड्स का यूज होता है, ये सब लोगों को एजुकेट करना पड़ेगा। पहले अगर उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, अगर मुझे मालूम सिद्धार्थ के केस में, और तो मैं देखता हूँ मतलब जो न्यू कमर्स आते हैं, जैसे मैंने बड़े शोज किया न्यू कमर्स के साथ, और उन पे क्या प्रेशर होता है कि मतलब कुछ भी हो, सर सिक्स पैक चाहिए, सर आज बॉडी शॉट है, सर ऐसा करना है। और मैं बोलता हूँ भैया अभी तुम कर रहे हो, लॉन्ग रन में तुम्हारे को उसका बहुत भारी वो करना पड़ेगा। तो अब यही है बिजनेस
जी।
आई थिंक जितना हम लोगों को एजुकेट करेंगे इतना अच्छा कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है। सिद्धार्थ मतलब एक बोलते हैं ना सुपरमैन जैसा बॉडी थी उसकी, उसको कुछ भी कर लो, कैसा भी खाना पच जाता था उसको, या बिग बॉस में रहे कहीं भी बाहर रहे तो उसकी वो जितना वो वेट उठा सकता था, जितनी वो एक्सरसाइज कर सकता था, वो इतना फिट था कि मतलब हाथ भी मिलाता था तो हाथ दुखता था, इतना फिट जबरदस्त आदमी था। उसकी डाइट और फिटनेस को लेके मुझे कोई ये नहीं कि उसको मतलब उस चीज से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकती। वो बहुत ही फिट था, बहुत ही मतलब हमारे लिए एक आइकॉन था कि इसको फॉलो करे, कि सिद्धार्थ की तरह हेल्थ हो हमारी हो या उसकी तरह बॉडी हो। और आज पता नहीं बॉडी बन गई है और अंदर से हार्ट फेल हो गया, समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे हो गया ये। ही वॉज वेरी स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन, आध्यात्मिक तौर के व्यक्ति थे जो आप भरोसा नहीं कर सकते। लोग बहुत आध्यात्मिक थे, बहुत स्पिरिचुअल थे, जिंदगी का मतलब और डेप्थ को लेके चलते थे। तो मेरे ख्याल से काम उनका अच्छा ही चल रहा था, मतलब अच्छी खासी प्रोग्रेस उनकी होती, अच्छी गाड़ी, अच्छा घर, सब कुछ नया लेना। उन्होंने घर लिया था माँ के लिए, अपने लिए, सबके लिए। तो उनकी कंडीशन फाइनेंशियली और वर्क वाइज भी काफी अच्छी चल रही थी। मेरे ख्याल से कोई ऐसी स्पेसिफिक चीज में बताया नहीं कि दुखी है। वो जरूर थोड़े इंट्रोवर्ट थे कि हर चीज दिल की बात बताते नहीं थे, मगर यू नो ही वाज अ वेरी नाइस मैन।
I'm sure everybody is as shocked as I am. We lost Siddharth today. I've always been a fan of Siddharth since Big Boss, and I've said this out very openly. People know that I've been a fan of him for a long time. The best bit about my entire journey in Big Boss, I think, was I got to live a dream of mine, which was to meet Siddharth Shukla. People have a lot of dreams, बहुत सपने देखते लोग, but एक सपना ऐसा था मेरा जो मुझे हकीकत में बदलते हुए दिखा because of Big Boss, and that was सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को मिलना, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़, एक अचीवमेंट थी मेरे लिए। एंड जैसा आप लोग को पता है, हर रात जैमिंग सेशन होती थी एक, और I don't know what to say. Siddharth was like an elder brother to me. He was a role model, and this whole transformation from fat to fit was because of Sid. And I got the call today in the morning. I didn't want to believe it, honestly, because I thought it's one of those hoax, false rumors, you know, kaise ho sakta hai? Because funnily, I met Sid a week ago. Me and Naina, we were out and we met Sid, and I was greeted with the same warmth and the same elder brother love that he showed me in Big Boss. And it's just hard to believe that you know, Sid is not with us anymore.